So this was my old GoPro, and this is my new GoPro. Let's go, The purpose of this video is to do a quick unboxing and then show my initial impressions of it. The GoPro that I got is the GoPro Hero 8 Black. Pretty standard stuff. Have to remember not to do the serial code. Oh baby. Remove. Pretty standard stuff inside. A battery, charging cable, and this to stick it on things. Yo! This screen looks pretty cool. This thing changes orientation based upon what direction. Sorry it wasn't much of an impression video because I had to update it, but it took me like 4 tries to actually get the update to update. What? Update failed. See, look what I mean. It says the update successfully went through. We're all set, but my camera says the update failed. What? And if you're just like me, I consider myself to be a nerd. So if you want to nerd out with me a little bit more, consider watching my tech playlist that is going to be over here.